Hi guys, so today we're going to do an unboxing of Enail Couture, and it comes in this pink, envelope like this, and then this time it's a kind of a mini order, but the most exciting part was I was waiting for my little flashy light. So it's my LED light to set my next level 1, 2, 3 go tips on. So yay! So we'll see how it goes. I did try putting one of these on someone yesterday. It worked out great, but we'll see how easy it is to put it on myself though and hold the flashlight. But anyway, so that's that. Oh, and see, it works. You just push this right here. So cute. I love it. So it came in that box. And then with this little order, I ordered another package of the ballerina ones, which are this shape here. I absolutely love these, and so I ordered another packet of them. 250 come in here. So, anyway, and I just love them, the gel tips. 1, 2, 3 go tips. And then I also ordered these little rhinestones because I've ordered the big ones before, the mixture of the big ones, and I loved them, and they're so sparkly. And honestly, I can't tell the difference between the Swarovski and these, but anyway, so I think there's 144 in here. They're the AB, Aurora Borealis, and they're the real tiny ones. I think it's a 4, S4. Anyway, so this will be a lot of fun anyway. I want these to go with my big ones, or just when it's something subtle. So the next thing, now on my last order, so I had, these are my press-ons that I had made and I've been wearing all week. And then this morning, this one decided it wanted to pull up. And I have been banging this one a lot. It's my index finger. So I decided I was going to do the 1, 2, 3 go, because I have them on this hand and I absolutely love them. So I'm ready to do that on here. And so I went ahead and I took one out from my order before, which is the almond ones, because I also had ordered the almond ones, which actually to me, they look like stilettos. But either way, I really like them. So we're going to do one out of this pack that came from my last order this time. And so I went ahead and I've already prepped my nail. So I just did, alcohol, let it dry good. And then I did a primer for gel, and then, let that dry. And then I put a thin coat of this, which I'd gotten in my last order, base gel from Enail Couture. I did a thin coat of this over it, set it on my LED light for the amount it says. 60 seconds, I think, is what I did. Anyway, and then I also, I think it says 30 seconds under an LED and 1 minute under UV lamp, but I did it at least 45 seconds. And then I did a second coat because this nail is pretty thin, because I had regular, hard gel or poly gel on before I did my press on it. And so it really, I jammed it and hurt it, and so it's still thin-ish. And so anyway, I put a second coat of this on it and set it under the light. And so now it's ready. And then the other thing I did was I took my almond 1, 2, 3 go tip, gel tip, and I used my electric file. And actually, this is the bit I used on it. And it's a diamond bit, and it's, a little bit softer. So I just went in here and did that, saving time. But you could probably use a block buffer to do it by hand if you don't have, a nail file, electric file. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to try and do this right here. And so I'm going to go ahead and get ready and put some of this base gel in my tip. I think the hardest thing is going to be to hold this on myself and the light, and on the thumb I think it'd be easier because you could go like that easier, but on this one I think it's going to be harder to get it even pressure, and I think that's the big one because you don't want the air bubble coming back in on one side. So we'll see if I can do this or not. But like I said, I did it on someone yesterday and it worked out great. Doing it on someone else, that was easy. So I'm just going to start out with a thin coat. I'm going to cover up, the part that's going to go in the nail bed. So basically the part I already, sanded, filed. And I'm going to put it like that all the way to the end, thin. And then I'm just going to take a little bit more. You don't want too much. And put it right here, kind of in the close to the well of it. And I want to make sure that it goes all the way to each side also, where there's that extra right there, so that you don't end up with it not, you know, adhering. And then I'm just going to kind of go again a little thin to the edge. Pull it a little thin to the edge. And hopefully I'm going to turn my light on so it's ready and see if I can do this. I hope so. So I'm going to turn it over, see if I can get a hold of this. And so you want to put it on a 45-degree angle, a hairline a little bit before your cuticle, and then you're going to press it down and get it as straight and even as you can. So right now, so far so good. There's no, you know, air bubbles in it. And hopefully if I can hold this somehow with a finger, how am I going to do this? I can't do it with my thumb. All right, I'm going to try it that way. I don't know if it's going to stay with no air bubbles, but let's try it. Part of the problem is that I have these other long, you know, my long press-ons on, and so they're in my way. So I don't even know if you can see that nail or not, but I'm just going to kind of do the light underneath some, you know, underneath some, just trying to flash cure it so it stays in place so I don't get any of those air bubbles that, you know, going back in. And the only thing I'm not sure of is if I was able to hold enough pressure on it evenly. We'll find out in a minute if I have any air bubbles. So all I do is I'm just flash curing with this, and then I will put it under the light. Okay, let's take a chance. I think it's crooked. It's a little crooked, but I did it. Yay! No, I don't see any air bubbles. So awesome. Did it! And I'm holding it, and it's not in my mouth. Woo, woo. Sorry. I'm a little excited. Okay, so I'm just pulling it away from the, you know, my skin. Because there's a little that, you know, eked out on the edge. But I think that's pretty good. I mean, it didn't even come out all around here, so yay. I'm so excited. Yay, I love my flashy light. Definitely recommend the flashy light. Absolutely love it. And I love these gel tips. I really do love these gel tips. I'm going to start kind of using them on some of my clients and see how, you know, what they like. And I love the way that it already has, you know, it's already got a nice curve and structure to the nail. You know, on a client, I would probably still do, depending on the client and their nails, but I would probably still do a layer of builder gel over it. But on some people, you might not have to, just, you know, just some gel polish, because I do gel polish usually on them anyway, so that would give them a little extra. On mine, until I do fills on them, I do builder gel when I do the fills, but before that, when I just first put it on, I did not. This one's actually growing out, needs to be filled, but I just did it just like I just did here, and then I did my gel polish over it. That's it. I didn't put any builder gel, and these have done really well. So I just absolutely love it. Yay! I'm so happy, my flashy light. Woo! Okay, so it's a teeny bit crooked, but that's okay. I'm still gonna have to file it some on this side anyway, and so hopefully. Okay, well anyway, so we didn't get it quite perfect, but I'm thrilled. There are no air bubbles in there at all. So, so anyway, it's enailcouture.com, and I will also say that the first order I did it through their Arizona office, and it took longer. Took like, I can't remember how many weeks it took. But this time I did it through their Canada one and actually got it faster. So even with the virus stuff going on, I mean, it still, I think was, I don't know what it was. I think it was still at least a couple weeks, but I think the longest part was when it actually was shipped, them being able to get it ready because they're so overwhelmed right now. So anyway, hopefully this stuff will be over soon, and then everybody can get back to normal, I hope. And then we'll probably get our orders and stuff, quicker. So thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell icon above so you'll get a notice of my next new tutorial, which will probably be soon. I've got some other things that I'm going to show you. So thanks. Bye.